Hey guys, this is like very quick video about when your prompter, let's say it's not working and it's not working with the camera hub on your PC. This is what you want to do. So when you're gonna be here, and first you want to go to Task Manager, and you're gonna have the camera hub here, right? And what you want to do is that you just want to like delete it. So like close completely the app. Then you're gonna go to Settings, where you're gonna have the display, which is this one, right? And you want to click here, you want to go to Settings, and you want to go to Extend Desktop to this display. So you're gonna go to Settings, then you're gonna write here the display, and you're gonna extend the display, right? And now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna write Camera Hub again. See? Do you see that? It works. Prompter is right there. So this is how we can easily fix it. It's nothing difficult. And this is how you can do it.